Hello guys, and welcome to JIMO TV. So today I'll be sharing you guys what I did for today. And as I've said from my previous video, that I'll be sharing you my experience and journey of buying ornamental fish such as goldfish and koi's. And as of the moment, today I bought a goldfish, and it's specifically called highback ryukin. Um, so yeah, roll intro. So here it is, and as of the moment, here are the fishes that I got as of the moment, and there are some of fishes. There's some fishes in there as well, but I'll just focus on this one first, and um, that's the fish I just got today. And supposedly, this isn't the one I wanted to buy, but it seems like I was, more interested when I saw this one. So that's why I chose this one. And this one is kind of bigger, um, compared to the one that I, supposedly wanted to buy. So it's highback ryukin, and you can really identify or distinguish the high back of this fish, unlike this one. And this one's called oranda, uh, red white oranda. So I got this one for a fair price for this, breeder size, and it's about 500, like para sa uban. But I got this one um, for 250 pesos. Yeah, a bargain price. And this one I got for 300 pesos. This one. And this one from El Salvador City, and this one's from Cugman, Cagayan de Oro. So it's just nearby around, my area. So I got this fish last July. This is one of those fish that I got first, and this is the only fish that left from the first batch of the fishes that I got. All of them, majority of them, died, and luckily I got one left. And this one, and those small fishes, including those fishes inside the pond, was the second batch. So I kind of like this small as well, because it looks cute. So, and I chose this one because it's unique, even though the fins and the dorsals and everything is kind of small, but I like the style. It's unique. I find this one much cuter. This one. I got some other fishes like this one. I got Oscars as well. These are I don't know, albino Oscar, and this one is red tiger Oscar, and this one is, I don't know, some kind of a copper with a little bit copper. Yeah, these are angel fish. Yes, right. And these are red black. This one, yeah. And these are my other fishes. I have koi's. I have koi. I have goldfishes in there. I kind of like this butterfly koi's. Yeah, there's one genuine there, like that one. It's kind of sparkly. So these are the varieties of fish that I currently have, and yeah. So I guess that's all for this video today, and for sure I'll be taking videos the next time I'll visit a place, a barracks or a farm where I'm going to, buy some of the fish I saw online. So again, thank you so much for watching. This has been JIMO TV, and may you all have a wonderful day. Peace out.